Ruby and Clio are made for each other, and legal professionals of all kinds use both to save time, grow their practices, and stay on top of communication with clients and prospects. Ruby and Clio leverage an API integration. Essentially, that means our systems talk to each other, so messages our receptionists take automatically show up in Clio Manage and Clio Grow. This integration is built for practices of all sizes. There's no need for additional licensing, users, or training, and your information remains private as Ruby receptionists don't log in and don't see what's in Clio. Let's take a look at how our integration works. We'll start with Ruby. Ruby is a team of highly trained, US-based virtual receptionists who are available 24/7 to communicate with the people who reach out to your firm. We can answer calls and chats, providing friendly, personalized service for new and existing clients as well as other contacts. We use proprietary technology that allows us to sound like a seamless extension of your team, referencing local details, answering frequently asked questions, ensuring proper pronunciation, and more. We can also schedule appointments, perform client intake, process payments, and manage other time-consuming tasks. This is the Ruby dashboard. Here, you can set your status and call handling instructions, view your activity, manage your contacts, change settings such as call forwarding and VIP forwarding, check your usage, and more. All of these details are available on the Ruby mobile app as well. The calls, messages, and voicemails you receive with Ruby can be automatically sent to your Clio Manage account, making it easy to associate client communication with specific cases and matters. You can also distinguish calls Ruby answers from those you or your team handle, so you can bill clients for our time on the phone. Ruby can also integrate with Clio Grow, pre-populating the quick intake form with details like name, phone, and caller notes. A quick note about scheduling. If you have Clio Grow, we can set up scheduling through your Clio calendar. If you have Clio Manage, we can work with you to configure third-party scheduling. Let's check out how this actually works, starting with Clio Manage. Under Communications, we can see the various calls Ruby has handled. By default, all your Ruby calls will sync to your Clio account, but you can modify the connection to only include specific activities, such as calls associated with a certain account, person, call type, or phone number. Calls answered by Ruby are listed from Ruby receptionists, making it easy to find those logs. Expanding a log, we can see details including call duration. We can also add time entry to easily track and bill for the time spent on the phone with a specific client. Next, let's visit Clio Grow. Whenever Ruby handles a call, it shows up in the Clio Grow lead inbox. Here, you can see the name of the caller, if available, and their phone number at the top of the message. The source will display as a call handled by Ruby. Here, we've set up our Ruby account so receptionists gather callers' email addresses along with how each caller heard about our business. As a result, these gather fields populate in the respective Clio Grow fields. Each message also displays information such as caller ID, the duration of the call, and the time the receptionist spent on the call, along with any actions resulting from the call. From here, it's easy to add the caller as a contact, select the lead status, and add or edit the source to create your new contact. This is just an overview of what Ruby can do and how we work with your Clio account. To learn more, visit ruby.com/Clio.